This 2006 SunnyBrook Sunset Creek 298 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Schoolcraft, Michigan, 49087 and is offered for sale by CampNorth RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used SunnyBrook is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.